happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortz, and today we have a different unboxing for you. Just before I start, a big thank you to Klein for sending me out one of their watches. Not only that, a different color strap as well. But just before I start, people, make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. And also make sure you follow me on one of these social media, as I always put up some sneak peeks, snaps or on stories on my Instagram of what to expect and what videos to expect on Allsortz. So if you don't follow me, make sure you check me out on my social media and also my YouTube community, as I always put a few sneak peeks on there as well. So I've got a lot of videos yet to come on Allsortz, but today we are taking a look at Klein watches. Now this watch will be available from the 29th of June. You can pre-order them on the website. I will leave all the links in the description box below. The one I opted for was the Allsortz Black, so today we are going to unbox and review this Allsortz Black watch from Klein. Not only that, the straps are interchangeable as well. So they sent me out a yellow strap. You can actually opt for different colours like red, purple, whatever colour tickles your fancy, you can actually opt for that. So just before we take a look at the watch, you get a little pouch that actually says Klein watches. Opening that up, and this just gives you a insight of what Klein is all about as well, and how your watch and is their social media and the return policy. So everything is in this little pouch here, which we have on the Klein watches. Now taking a look at this, people, this is a different kind of watch that we have compared from my recent reviews on here on Allsortz. But yeah, taking a look, I opted for the black on black version, as black is my favorite color. So they sent me out a Klein Allsortz Black. Like I said, the straps are interchangeable. To change the straps, all you've got to do is push out this little lever here, and oh, is it the other way? Oh yes, this is the other way. And there we have it. That's how easy it is to change the strap. So let's put this strap back on. Very easy to do once you've done it a few times, and it just clips straight into your watch. Just trying to do this on camera is really hard. So there we have it, people. I'm just going to try this on, as today I'm all suited and booted, as I've got a wedding to attend. So this watch has come definitely on time, as I'm wearing a black shirt and it will match the suit that I'm wearing as well. So that's really good. Now let's put this on and see how it looks. To be honest, with the watches that I reviewed in the past, I did say I'm not a really big fan of watches, but I have got to say the watches that they are going to send me, I might as well start wearing them because they look really good. Now I'm going to give you a close-up of what this watch is like. Yeah, but just before I do that, this watch starts at £61.78 in the UK. They have deals on when you want to actually add some different colour straps as well. So a strap of your colour of your choice and the black Allsortz watch, they have different kinds of watches, will set you back at £87.74. Now I have got to say there is a sale on, because this watch alone cost £125, but they've got a sale on which they will start shipping out from the 29th of July, which only is £61.78. And if you want a different colour strap, it will cost you £87.74 for the pair. So make sure you check out Klein watches. The link will be in the description box below. Let's take a closer look at my new Allsortz Black watch. I have got to say, this watch actually feels nice and premium. I'm not going to lie to all my subscribers here on Allsortz. If a product is kind of cheap with material wise, I will actually let you know. But even the straps, going to the straps from the watch itself, it definitely feels nice and premium. So take a look at the Allsortz design on one of these Klein watches. It has a I don't know if there's a hexagon shape here, and also it's like a see-through kind of design, which actually shows you all the mechanism in the watches as well. So it's not only that, if we take the watch off, you can actually see it from the back as well. Now I did actually try this watch on, take a look at that. It's automatic movement as well. I will actually tell you the features later on in the video. So that is the lever that I actually pull out for the straps. If you want to change the strap, it has got a plastic cover to take off right here, so you can actually see everything. Check out the movement right there, and the front right here. It actually looks really nice. Like I said, I opted for the black on black version. You can get different color designs on the bezel as well, so you just got to check out the Klein website. It also has a K on the lever right here, so that is a really good feel. As always, it's definitely a premium design. So what do you think of this watch? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at what kind of features these Klein watches have, especially this Allsortz Black. Taking a look on the website, the beats is 21,600 BPH with 13 jewels. The case size is 40 millimeters. Case thickness is 15 millimeters. The movement is Klein automatic, which is custom made by Klein. The power reserve is 12 hours. The strap size is 23 centimeters. Water resistant, which is 380 m, and it's self-winding automatic as well. So they are some of the features. Let's take a look at the style. The case is brushed and polished, as you can see right there. The dial is black, of course, but you can get different color dials. You just got to check out the website. The dial detail, this is black with silver index. It's got hardened mineral crystal, silver luminous 3 hands as well, and it has a elastic silicone strap, which is interchangeable with different colors. Anyways, thank you for watching this video of me unboxing my new Klein Allsortz Black watch. If you're a watch lover, then check out the website. All the links will be in the description box below, and they do a lot of different designs. And I've got to say, they did send me a design that I actually love. So yeah, thank you Klein for sending me out one of your watches. They will be sending me some other watches, so if you love my watch reviews, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below which other watch you want to see on the Klein website, and hopefully I will actually get one on order. So as always people, this watch costs £61.78. It's on sale and they start shipping out on the 29th of July. Get yourself a bargain and check out the Klein website. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box below. This watch has come at the right time as I have to attend a wedding now, so I've got a black suit and this will match really well. So yeah, like I said, a big thank you to Klein watches. I'm now going to put on this watch and head off and attend the wedding. Like always people, make sure you subscribe to my channel as there's a lot more reviews yet to come. And if you want to see any other reviews, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you again for another video. I don't know if I should use the yellow strap or the black strap. As it's a black on black, I might as well stick with the black strap. And always people, they've got different colour straps as well. I've got the yellow one, they've got red and different colours, blue, whatever tickles your fancy. Check out the website. Signing out. Around, it has a lightning connector on both of these. Take a look at the back. As you can see with the generation 1, the button is placed lower, and the generation 2, the button is placed higher. You have got text also on